In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you a complete walkthrough of Adobe Firefly, how to have the early access to Adobe Firefly and what are the possibilities by which you can create amazing design and text to image and how to explore the entire software. So all this put together, it should be a lot of fun. So if you're ready, let's begin. Now let us see what all we can create. First is text to image. So let us start with text to image. Go to generate option. Either you earn some inspiration, you gain some inspiration from these already created images. So you can actually select any of these images. Then the prompt will automatically come here. Okay, now let us see how are the modifications which we can do in this image. Now in this image it is saying an interior design living room with a lot of plants. Now first of all I can change the aspect ratio to widescreen. Now next you can create the content type in different ways. I want to give it a photo content type. So I will select photo here. You can select any of the styles, like for popular you get these different types of option. Let's suppose I'm taking neon option. Now next is movements. If you want to use any of these, you can use that from here. Now for color and tone, let's suppose I want to give it a warm tone. Lighting, I want to give it dramatic lighting. And composition, let's suppose a bit close-up composition I want. So all these options will be added here, and then again you can generate and that will accordingly modify your outcome. So let's see how AI is modifying this particular image. Can you believe it? That image has been modified to these beautiful neon effect images. So these are amazing, right? You can give it a thumbs up if you like any of these. Now let us see other things. If suppose you like out of these four, suppose I like only this one. Okay, so what other things we can do? I can modify these rest three images by going to this top left hand side show similar option. If I go to this, then only this photo will remain and all these three photos will be following the system of this picture, this image, and will be modified accordingly. Just wait and see what are the results coming up. It has changed the images depending on the kind of image it has generated here. Okay, so if I like any of these, suppose I like this one, then I can go to this download option. Okay, and then it will be downloaded. You cannot use it for commercial use. It is clearly written image not for commercial use. So never use this for your commercial use. It is for your personal use or creating editorials like I'm doing it repeatedly. I'm telling you, do not do it. So this is the outcome. It's amazing, detailed, and I really love it. So now let us see how to give only a prompt and generate an image, right? For that I have in ChatGPT I have created a short story. So I will just copy one paragraph of that story and I am simply going to paste that here, and let's see if I select the generate option, how does it come up with. I will just change the aspect ratio to widescreen and just wait for the default AI to create something out of my texts. These are four images which were created out of the prompt which I have given. Now I will change a couple of things here. Okay, now here you see this is in art form. I will keep in photo form. Okay, now I will be going for some other changes. Here I will keep this synthwave option in popular option, movements, cyberpunk movement, macro photography. Now I also don't know what AI will figure out of my instructions. Just give it a try. Let's give it a try. Not much of difference which I feel, but the color vibration is different. So this is pretty cool. Okay, these are few images which they have created. So if I like any of these, I can go to this download option. It can get downloaded. The next option is generative fill. This is one of the funniest things. So let's go to generate option. Here you can upload any of the images. So I am taking this girl. Now I am going to change this metallic jacket to a red simple jacket. Okay. For that I will have to go to remove option. Okay, remove option, then go to settings and reduce the brush size. You can reduce the harshness further, but I'm keeping it at 50%. Okay, then I will just remove it carefully. Now I will go to insert and type here red floral jacket. Okay, and then you can go to this also, but I will directly go for generating. Now let's see what AI makes her wear. See, she is wearing these kind of jackets instead of that metallic one. You can even go to more to get more options. See, when I gave more, I got this outfits. Like I personally like this one, so I can go ahead and go to this download option, and that will allow me to download. And let's see how is it looking in PNG. And I am showing you the difference, which was this one was the original one and this is generative fill effect. Let us take this one, okay, and let us remove these parts. I have given this prompt, okay, ray traced tall magical tree shaped like a bonsai. Okay, let us see how it replaces these area. This is one, this one is second, this one is I like the third one. This is exceptionally good. If you want to create more, you can go for more, but I keep this and I want to download this one. And now let us see how is the outcome. This one is the outcome. Oh, that's amazing. Okay, so this is the outcome of generic fill when I have actually given a new prompt. Now let us move forward to step 3. This is how you can change the background or you can change any of the part of your image. Next is text effect. So here also same way, you can, if you want any particular type of prompt, then you can try this prompt. And here I will be giving VAGPE, which stands for VAGPE, and generate. Here also in the right hand side you can go for sample prompt. You can take these ready to use materials or texts. You again 4 types of variety you will be getting. You'll have to choose which one you like the most. According to me, this is the most beautiful one. So I'll go back. You can change to any other feet. I am taking middle one. You can go for loose. Let us see how loose is generating. And even you can choose the background color. I ideally keep the background black so that the image comes out really bright. And let me take this Cooper. This one is one of my favorite fonts. Then you can again go ahead and do the download. Now let us see how to get the early access of Adobe Firefly. To get the access, you must already have an Adobe account. Go to Google Chrome and type www.adobefirefly and open the first link which will come here. Once you open, this website will open up. Here at the bottom, be part of the future of Firefly. Here you'll have to go for sign up for Firefly option. So once you open this, they will ask you to fill up a form. Once you fill that form up for the Firefly, they will send you an invitation mail and they will take couple of days time to allow you to access your account. Once they allow, you will be receiving a mail like this. You are in, and there they will be providing you your access website. Join, you can check the website, you can join the Discord, and you can go join to the Firefly Beta Forum. So guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, and please consider to give me a like. One small request, please do share my content with your friends and family so that I can thrive in every single day to create new videos like this for you all. Thank you so very much for staying here with me. I'll come back with some fun tutorial next week. Till then, stay safe and stay legendary.